हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे क्लास 11 एनसीईआरटी बायोलॉजी चैप्टर 11 फोटोसिंथेसिस इन हायर प्लांट। तो ये चैप्टर लगभग 3 क्वेश्चन का वेटेज रखता है और यहाँ पे हम सारे के सारे इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक डिस्कस करेंगे ताकि आप इस चैप्टर को कम से कम समय में रिवाइज कर सकेंगे। तो चलो स्टार्ट करेंगे। द ग्रीन प्लांट मेक और रेदर सिंथेसाइज द फूड दे नीड थ्राउट द फोटोसिंथेसिस एंड आर देयर फॉर कलेक्ट ऑटोट्रोप्स। तो ग्रीन प्लांट खुद का फूड खुद ही बनाते हैं ड्यूरिंग द फोटोसिंथेसिस। उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? ऑटोट्रोप्स, ग्रीन प्लांट्स को। ऑर्गेनिज्म दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन द ग्रीन प्लांट फॉर फूड आर हेट्रोट्रोप्स। तो ऑर्गेनिज्म डिपेंड्स होते हैं ग्रीन प्लांट्स पर फॉर फूड, उसे हम क्या कहेंगे? हेट्रोट्रोप्स। नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है अर्ली एक्सपेरिमेंट्स। जोसेफ प्रेस्ली 1733 to 1804 in the 1770 performed a serious experiment that revealed the essential role of air in the growth of green plants. Discovered oxygen in a 1774, Priestley observed that a candle burning in a closet faced a bell jar. Using a similar setup as the ones used by the Priestley, but by placing it is once in the dark and once in the sunlight. John Ingenhouse 1730 to 1799 showed that sunlight is essential to the plant process that somehow purify the air floated by the burning candle or breathing animals. Ingenhouse in England experiment which is aquatic plants showed that in a bright sunlight, small bubbles were formed around the green parts of the plant, while the dark they did not. Only the green parts of the plant that cool releases oxygens. 1854, that Jules Van Sachs provide the evidence for production of the glucose when plant grow. Glucose is usually stored as the starch. His later studies showed that the green substance in the plant, chlorophyll, as known, it is now located in the facial body, later called chloroplasts. T.W. Engelmann 1843 to 1909, using the prism, he split light into its spectral components and then eliminated a green alga, Cladophora, placed in the suspension of aerobic bacteria. Photosynthesis for oxygen yielding organisms was then understood as CO2 plus H2O, light CH2O plus O2. तो ये रिएक्शन आपको याद रखना है। Photosynthesis was the that made by the microbiologist Cornelius van Niels 1897 to 1985, who's based on his study of purple and green bacteria. Next topic, where does the photosynthesis take place? The membrane system is the responsible for trapping light energy and so also for the synthesis of ATP, NADPH in a stroma enzymatic reaction synthesize sugars, and which is in the turn from starch. The former set of reactions, since they are directly light derived, are called light reaction, photochemical reaction. The latter are not directly light derived but are depends on the product of light reaction ATP and NADPH. Hence distinguish the latter, they are called by the conversion as dark reaction, carbon reactions. Darkness or that they are not light dependent. How many type of pigments are involved in a photosynthesis? Separation the leaf pigments of any green plants throughout the paper chromatography. Chlorophyll A, bright और blue color. तो chlorophyll A कैसा होता है? ब्राइट और ब्लू ग्रीन होता है। क्लोरोफिल भी येलो होता है एंड ग्रीन होता है। xanthophyll येलो एंड कैरोटीनॉइड येलो टू येलो ऑरेंज होता है। Photosynthesis take place in the blue and red regions of the spectrum. Some photosynthesis does take place at the other wavelength of visible spectrum. Chlorophyll is the major pigment responsible for trapping light. Other thallocyte pigment like chlorophyll B, xanthophyll and carotenoids. What is the light reaction? ATP and NADPH यहाँ पे प्रोड्यूस होता है लाइट रिएक्शन के दौरान। The light harvesting complex LHC within the photosystem 1 PS1 and photosystem 2 PS2. The LHC are made of 100 of the pigment molecule bound to the proteins. Each photosystem has all the pigment except one molecule of chlorophyll A, forming a light harvesting system are also called antenna. In a PS1, the reaction center chlorophyll A and absorption peak 700 nms, hence called P700. In PS2, it has absorption maximum 680 nm is called the P618. System consists of cytochrones. This movement of electron is downhill in the terms of oxidation, reduction or redox potential scale. Pigment of the photosystem 1 and simultaneously electron in the reaction center PS1 are excited when they are received red light of wavelength 700 nm. Electron then are moved downhill against this time to be molecules of energy rich NADP plus. Downhill to NADPS plus, reducing it is to NADPS plus. H plus is called the Z scheme. Splitting of water. The splitting of the water is associated with the PS2. Water is split into 2H2 plus O. We need to emphasize here that the water splitting complex is associated with the PS2 and which is itself physically located on the inner side of the membrane of thallocytes. Next topic, cyclic and non-cyclic photophosphorylation. ATP is synthesized by the cell in mitochondria and chloroplast in a named photophosphorylation. Photophosphorylation is the synthesis of ATP from ADP and inorganic phosphate in the presence of light. PS2 and PS1 process called non-cyclic photophosphorylation occur. The two photosystems are connected throughout the electron transfer chain as seen earlier in the Z scheme. Both ATP and NADPH plus H are synthesized by this kind of electron flow. A possible location where this could be trapping happening in the stroma lamella, while the membrane of lamellas of the grana have both PS1 and PS2. The stroma lamellar membrane lack of PS2 as well as the NADP reducing enzyme. The excited electrons does not pass on to the NADP, but it is cycled back to the PS1 complex throughout the electron transport chain. The cyclic flow hence result only in the synthesis of ATPs but not NADPS plus. Chemiosmotic hypothesis. Let us now try understand how actually ATP is synthesized in the chloroplast. The chemiosmotic hypothesis has been put forward to explain the mechanism like respiration, photosynthesis. To ATP synthesis is linked to the development of the proton grenade across the membrane. This time these are membrane of thallocytes. Proton accumulation is toward the inside of membranes in the lumens. In respiration, proton accumulation in the intermembrane phase of the mitochondria. Since splitting of water molecule take place on the inner side of the membrane, proton or hydrogen ions that are produced by the splitting of water accumulated within the lumen of thallocytes. B. Electron move throughout the photosystem. Proton are transported across the membrane. This is happened because the primary acceptor of the electron, which is located toward the outer side of the membrane, transport it is electron not to an electron carrier but to an H carriers. Hence, this is molecule remove a proton from the stroma while the transporting an electrons. The electron is released into the inner side of the or lumen side of the membrane. C. The NADP reduce enzyme is located on the stroma side of the membrane along with electron that come from the acceptors of electron of PS1. Proton are necessary for reducing of NADP plus to NADPH plus H. Hence, within the chloroplast, proton in the stroma decreases in the membrane. Lumen, there is an accumulation of proton that created a proton grenade across the thallocyte membrane as well as the measurable decreases in the PS lumen. Why we are so interested in the proton grenade? The important because the breakdown of this gradient that is led to the synthesis of ATP. The gradient is breakdown due to the movement of proton across the membrane to the stroma throughout the transmembrane. Channel of the CF0 of the ATP synthesis. The ATP synthesis enzyme consists of of two part 1 scarlet the CF0 in the embedded in the thalloid membrane and format of transmembrane channel, that is carrier outward facilitated diffusion of proton across the membrane. The outer proton is called as CF1 and produced on the outer surface of the thalloid membrane of the site that affect the stroma. The breakdown of the gradient provide the ego energy to cause the conformational change in the CF1 particles of ATP synthesize, which make the enzyme synthesize several molecules of energy packet ATP. Chemiosynthesis require a membrane, a proton pump, a proton gradient, and ATP synthesize. Energy is used to the pump proton across the membrane to create gradients or high concentration of proton within thalloid membrane lumens. ATP synthesize has a channel that allow the diffusion of proton back across the membrane. ATP will be used immediately in the biosynthesis reaction taking place in the stroma, responsible for fixing CO2 and synthesis of sugars. Next, where are the ATP and NADPS used? ATP and NADPS are used in the biosynthesis phase. Biosynthesis pathway, hence it is called the Calvin cycle after him. The first product identified was 3-phosphate glyceride acid, or in a short PGA. First product of CO2 fixation of C3 acid, PGA, C3 pathway, and those in which the first product was C4 acid, OOA, and C4 pathway. These two group of plants Soviet other association characteristics that will be discussed later. Next topic, very important topic, Calvin cycle. Calvin pathway occur in all photosynthesis plants. It does not matter whether they have a C3 or C4 or any others pathway. For case of understanding the Calvin cycle can be described under 3 stage: carbonylation, reduction, and regeneration. First stage, carbonylation fixation of CO2 into a stable organic intermembrane. Carbonylation is the most critical step of the Calvin cycle, where CO2 is utilized for the carbonylation of RUBP. RUBP carbonylase, which is the result in the formation of two molecules of 3-PGA. Rubusco carbonylase oxygenase or RUBPsco. Second stage of Calvin cycle, reduction, formation of glucose, utilization of two molecules of ATP for phosphorylation and 2 NADPS for reduction per CO2 molecule. Fixation of 6 molecules of CO2 and 6 turn of the cycle are required for the formation of 1 molecules of glucose from pathway. Third stage, regeneration. Regeneration CO2 acceptor molecule RUBP is critical if the cycle is to the continue to uni-interpreted. The regeneration step required on ATP for photophosphorylation to from RUBP. Hence, for every CO2 molecule entering the Calvin cycle, 3 molecules of ATP and 2 NADPS are required. It is properly to meet this is different in number of ATP and NADPS used in the dark reaction. In 6 CO2, 18 ATPs, 12 NADPS, out 1 glucose, 18 ADPs, 12 NADP. The C4 pathway, plant that are adapted to dry tropical regions have the C4 pathway. Mentioned earlier, throughout this plant have a C4 oxaloacetic acid as the first CO2 fixation product. They use C3 pathway or Calvin cycle as the main biosynthesis pathway. Vascular bundle of C4 plants are called bundle seed cell, and the leaves which have such as anatomy are said to have a branch anatomy. C4 plant maize or sorghums to observe the branch anatomy and distribution of mesophyll cell. The primary CO2 acceptor is a 3 carbons molecule phosphopanels. Pyruvate PEP is the presence in the mesophyll cell. The enzyme responsible for this fixation is PEP carboxylase or PEP case. In the important OAA is a format in a mesophyll cell. Rich in enzyme ribulose biphosphate carboxylase oxygenated Rubisco but lack PEPs. This is basic pathway that result in the formation of the sugar. The Calvin pathway is common to the C3 and C4 plant. Did you note that Kelvin pathway occur in the all mesophyll cells of the C3 plants? C4 plants, does not take place in the mesophyll cell but does so only in bundle of seed cell. Rubisco has a much greater affinity for CO2 when the CO2-O2 is nearly equal. In C3 plant, some O2 does not bind to Rubisco and hence CO2 fixation is the decreases. C4 plant photophosphorylation does not occur. C4 plant lack of photorespirations. When several factor affected any biochemical process, Blankman's 1905 law of limiting factor come into effect. यह है ग्राफ ऑफ इंटेंसिटी ऑन द रेट ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस. Carbon dioxide concentration. Carbon dioxide is the major limiting factor for photosynthesis. The concentration of CO2 is very low in the atmosphere between 0.03 and 0.04%. Increases the concentration up to 0.52% can be cause and increases in CO2 fixation rate. C3 and C4 plant responds differently to CO2 concentration. Both C3 and C4 plant show the increase in the rate of photosynthesis. What is the important note that in the C4 plant show saturation about 316 UL-1, while C3 response increases CO2 only behind the 515 UL-Li. 1. C3 plant responds higher CO2 concentration by the show increase in the rate of photosynthesis leading to the higher productivity has been used for the some greenhouse crops such as tomatoes and bell peppers. Temperature. C4 plant responds to the higher temperature and show high rate of photosynthesis, while C3 plant have much lower temperature optimum.